I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to find the best investment platform if you are just starting out. It can feel overwhelming, but with the right guidance, you can make informed decisions. We will explore essential features that make a platform easy to use, highlight some of the top choices available, and provide clear steps to help you begin your investing journey with confidence. Our goal is to simplify the process, so you feel empowered to start growing your wealth. When choosing an investment platform, several features are especially helpful for beginners. First, seek out platforms offering zero or very low commission fees, maximizing your investment returns. Second, fractional shares are a game changer, letting you invest with as little as $1 rather than buying full shares. Third, strong educational content and customer support are crucial for learning. Finally, an intuitive, easy-to-navigate platform and mobile app will make managing your portfolio straightforward and stress-free. Several platforms stand out for their beginner-friendly offerings. Charles Schwab is highly regarded for its comprehensive educational materials and an investor starter kit, which can give new investors $101 to start. Fidelity offers an incredibly intuitive experience, allowing you to buy fractional shares for as little as $1. E*Trade provides excellent mobile apps and a clean, straightforward layout. Robinhood is popular for its commission-free trading and very accessible interface, making investing feel less intimidating for many. To begin your investing journey, first, clearly define your financial goals, such as saving for a down payment or retirement. Next, start with an amount you are comfortable investing, even if it is just $25 a month. Remember to diversify your portfolio across various investments like stocks and exchange-traded funds to spread risk. Finally, commit to continuous learning and regularly review your investments to ensure they align with your evolving goals. You are now ready to take your first step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.